Dungeon here in Dayton, Ohio brings us 3 different immersive attractions. We are gonna take you through all 3 of them to see how scared we can get. We haven't even gotten into the haunts yet, and we can already see some awesome changes going on. They did some decorating at the top of the stairs right before you come down. They've decorated all kinds of different stuff downstairs here. Even the queue line's got some cool stuff to look at. Of course, the queue actors are off the wall. All right, without further ado, let's get in here and see if we can get some scares.
Throughout this area, there are several different areas these rejects like to stay. Each one in itself is a haunt. The first one is the Bayou.
The Bayou.
Now, the Bayou is where the cannibalistic rednecks like to live. We like to call them the Firewoods. The next one is the Asylum, where we like to keep the crazies. The next one, of course, is the 3D circus and sideshow, where the clowns are kept. Now, I'd like for you to prepare yourself to meet Lord Rufus.
Lord Rufus.
That's right over there.
Okay.
Cool nails.
Thank you. I get them done at Walmart.
Oh, that's, yeah. They look great.
And please, keep your pants dry. I really hate cleaning up messes.
I told you they can be themselves if they want to. I got you a new mop. It's fine.
Oh, yeah, new mop.
Yes, it's a squeegee. I love it.
Yeah!
Thank you. Oh,
Welcome to hell.
she looks kind of voodoo-y. It's Rufus. Hello.
Oh my.
You're gonna face things that you've never faced. Experience creatures that no other human being has ever experienced. Welcome back, Lindsay.
They know your name.
So follow the path. Follow your instincts. Cause if you don't, let me make something clear. I've got no problem making his tall ass, your short ass, or her short ass fall in line. Am I understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now get out of my sight.
Bye, Rufus.
Voice is awesome.
Uh-oh. Ooh. Dungeon. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, somebody came in.
Wow, she just
Oh, no.
suddenly appeared back there.
She's ringing a bell. I think when they ring the bell, that means they're still alive. You
I don't
look
know.
Real alive though.
She kind of looks alive.
She's humming something. She's getting closer. Oh,
Repent
keep
yourself,
on.
Lord Rufus, for he is the one of this dungeon.
Uh-oh.
Repent yourself for the rejects, for they
Oh,
will
that
be
thing, his
amongst
head is
you.
moving.
Repent,
Ew.
for this
It's moving.
will be you.
Oh,
For
God.
this is what happens to those that Rufus does not approve of.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Oh, God.
Now go
Okay.
and meet the rejects.
The rejects.
Uh-oh.
Oh, there's the ghosty lady again. We got an airplane.
Oh, yeah. Last Ride's funeral home. Oh. Laid to rest.
Oh, God.
That one's
That one
likely.
ain't dead yet.
Repent!
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Oh, my God.
What are you doing?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh my!
We're just trying to help.
Wow, that guy has lost it.
Whoa.
Eric just got shot. I just got shot! Oh! What the heck? You missed
What
the
is-
papers just went flying everywhere.
I'm flying!
Wow.
What are you reading?
Not that one. Oh, okay. Yeah. That's what I feel about books
that's
too.
right.
Sometimes.
Oh, God.
Oh shit!
She's throwing more of them. It's dangerous.
Welcome to the decontamination room. How are you guys doing tonight? Great! That is great to hear. Now we do have to decontaminate you guys before you guys go down into Hell's Dungeon because we do have cannibals down here. We don't want any diseases, infections, illnesses, etc. Right?
Right.
Right! Great to hear. Come on through my decontamination laser. Alright, you guys are gonna go right down this way. Look to your left, there will be a portal. Once you get to that portal, you will take a right and you will have entered Hell's Dungeon.
So that's
A
the
right at the
portal to
portal.
Hell's Dungeon.
Ooh, we're taking a right at the portal. Look at that gas mask. Oh, that way? Okay.
Oh, there's the portal. Oh, God.
The portal to hell.
Oh, my.
Oh.
Now I must warn you, the fireworks are in those swamps, and they are not very friendly. For you see, they are very hungry, and to them, you look like dinner. Uh-oh. Now you could offer me something for your safe passage. Tooth? Your souls, maybe? Or you could just take your chances.
I got some
Choice is yours. You gonna pull them out for me?
I can't do it.
Oh, did I
I'm
can't
gonna
make
need some
them?
help.
I have a wrapper.
That I could accept. I marked this one safe.
Yes!
The rest of you, they will chase, they will hunt, and they will feed.
Uh-oh.
Say that I didn't warn you.
The rest of us are screwed.
Ooh. Ooh, snake.
Dinner coming!
She lies. Oh, pumpkin.
Oh, God. Angry pumpkin.
Oh, he's very angry. Ooh, I love the pumpkin wall. Further into the swamps. What was that?
Oh, God.
Yes.
Zombies. Uh-oh. They're following us.
Uh-oh. There's a creeper back
You don't
there.
look like he's too happy about it either.
I've been waiting all damn night for y'all.
Well, here we are.
We made,
God, we're starving!
we made it.
Oh, what's that?
What are you having for dinner?
You
Us?
His name must be Stu, because he sure does smell like it.
Uh-oh. I don't know whether to take that as a compliment or not.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, my. Oh,
What in the world? Did you come out of there? Oh,
I think probably
come
so.
out of there.
Yeah.
Ooh.
She's going back in there. She's going back. Oh, God. Oh, my
What
God.
happened in here? Y'all made a big
They're
mess.
sawing it up.
Ew! Oh.
Oh, God.
Lindsay, you got a friend back there.
Oh, a Spidey tunnel.
Ew! Oh! No, 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 no. Ew! Are you sure she's the crazy one? It looks like they burnt you. They burnt your face. Oh.
What are we?
Whose house we getting ready to go in?
We're just trying to get away from these cannibals.
None of your moonshine?
Mom's
What?
got the best damn moonshine in the land, but y'all can't have none.
Why not?
Oh,
That's stingy.
can we just try it?
They'll do like dinner and I'm hungry.
Uh-oh.
Hell's
Get my kitchen
Kitchen.
so I can cook you.
I know.
want to play. I'd love to give you a play.
Is that the pizza?
What?
Oh!
It's so it's kind of like spaghetti with me with the intestines and it's
That's,
Oh
oh,
God!
my. Oh, God.
You want some stew, Stewie?
I think I'm good.
Holy crap!
That one's alive.
Yeah, I sure do.
Yes.
Lindsay does not. That's very creepy. Oh, hello there. Oh, what do you got? That's a dog. Yeah, I do. I think. Of spots? Okay. What's on him? Is that blood? No, I'm not supposed to see that, right? Oh God! Listen to that creepy laughing. Ew.
They're crazy.
Nuh-uh. Oh God!
Oh, God.
A freaking
bushman.
bushman.
Run away!
What?
Understand? I mean, sure, I might shove the pills down their throat because they won't take them. Why won't they take them?
I ain't taking
You
it.
got to make sure they take the medicine. I
Yeah.
don't think she took her medicine.
Or she took too much.
She might have took too much.
I killed my baby!
You killed
Yes,
it.
I did!
What?
Just a disgusting little thing. I set him on fire and then I ripped him limb for limb. Oh, I love it watching little body burn.
Wow. Freshly plucked. What are those, teeth? Yep. Eric, that's what they needed your teeth for.
That's what they need my teeth for.
Dr. Feel Pain.
Oh,
Yes! Yes!
Uh-oh.
Welcome to the Four Seasons!
oh, the four seasons.
I'm just kidding. It's still hell. Come on.
It's still hell.
Follow
Okay.
a strange person into a dark room.
Okay.
I see that everybody makes great life choices.
Absolutely.
Might as well have a white band that says free candy, right?
Right.
All right, so, what a lot of people don't realize, I am talking, you do not. What a lot of people don't realize is that there's a lot of levels to hell. I'm talking tons of them. The further down we go, the more vicious, violent, and disgusting that is not supposed to happen.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
You have more than
That
one
can't be
side,
good.
don't you?
He does not look happy.
We're here, but you're in the way. Watch your step.
Okay.
And watch out
Thank
for
you
the rat.
for the crazy
Watch
ride.
out for the rats.
And they're grinding that guy up, poor guy. Oh, what in the world? I thought it smelled kind of like cat pee.
Uh-oh.
Stinks. Whoa. Okay. What? I can't.
He's still back there. He's all nuts. Not okay.
You must have saw the doctor.
Where do y'all think y'all are going? Y'all ain't going nowhere.
You want it,
Where are you going?
You want it,
No.
That way.
Where are you going?
Ew.
All of the rats.
All right. Switch. Lindsay's turn.
Head this way for frills, chills, entertainment, and such.
Oh, look at this.
Oh my.
We're going into the freak show.
Welcome
Oh.
to our Outline Freak Show. My name is Jack P. Rodman. We've got a lot in store for you tonight. We've got every freak from all around the world. This is even my wife here, Gabby. Gabby, say hi.
Hi, Gabby.
She seems to be in a mood tonight, so we're gonna keep on going through, guys. Come on through.
Oh, Gabby. Ooh, the double-headed cobra.
There is eyes everywhere.
Ooh, there's double-headed other things too.
Ooh, look at these guys.
Uh-huh. The double-headed cobras. Ooh, there's a mummy and a what the hell is
God.
that? Ew!
What in
Oh
the
my
world?
gosh!
That's awesome. Hi, man.
Who's he looking at?
I don't know. Look at that one. That one has a sock fur.
Seen a character quite like that.
Oh.
They do exist.
Oh, that was.
Oh, God.
Yeah, that's real. Okay, everything's real in
we
hell.
got glasses.
Even Texas. Oh.
Run.
Ooh, that's a toolbox. Oh, this is trippy. So poppy. I would think. Oh my gosh, look at all that. Like it feels. Oh my god. Oh, whoa. Oh, there goes a random ball.
Silly string bonanza.
What did that?
Don't forget to press the button.
The button? Okay, where's the button? Push that button. We had to push the button. I like that. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, there's one up there. Whoa, where'd he go? Oh, jeez. That's a different one, right?
Do you guys like clowns?
Sometimes.
Am I supposed to still have these glasses on?
Yes.
He's got a creepy mask.
Oh,
Wow. That one came out of nowhere. That thing down there.
oh my.
What is that? Whoa! That is nice. Oh, I don't know if we want to go past you. Oh, your eyes are popping right now. Oh!
It's so cool.
It does, but he's creepy. Whee! Oh my god.
Sliding.
He's creepy.
Sliding and gliding.
Oh, this way. Oh, that's so. Oh!
Okay.
Wow. Don't trust them. Oh my. Wow. Okay.
That's not creepy at all.
Oh goodness, that one got down too. Whoa. Damn, she was. Yeah. Oh lordy, she Ew. Uh-oh.
Whoa. Uh-oh.
Oh, she's got several spots to Guinness. He was alive.
Yeah, Wolfman.
Seen that before.
We won't feel it.
All right, well, that was it for Hell's Dungeon, guys. If you want to check out our full review with ratings, check out our website, thescarefactor.com. Lots of awesome changes here. If you find yourselves in Dayton, Ohio, definitely come check out Hell's Dungeon. Tell them the Scare Factor sent you. We are going to head on out to the next haunt. Hopefully we'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.